Every time we hear the word monsoon, umbrellas and raincoats come to our minds, as they protect us from the rains. But what about protecting our home? Yes, there are a lot of things you must consider doing to keep your home clean, dry and germ-free. Cockroaches and ants seem to come from everywhere during the rains, carrying great risk of sickness. Hence, disinfectants are a must. If you are an avid reader with a huge collection of books, you must keep naphthalene balls in your bookshelf. They not only prevent moisture buildup but also keep bugs away. Refrigerate. Make it a habit to store everything in the refrigerator. Do not keep cooked or uncooked items outside because the moisture in the air can damage food items even if they are packed. Cover windows and balconies with tarpaulin sheets so that the water does not spoil your furniture and decor. Make sure in your absence you shut all the windows and doors. Stay dry and protected this monsoon. Keep watching this space for more videos. Live smart with Reliance General Insurance.